Hey everybody, Casey with ASD Knives. Again, asdknives.com or asdefense.com. I've got a Buck Impact automatic knife with me today. A lot of people have been waiting for Buck to get involved in the automatic knife game. Let's take a look at this here. It's got that textured handle. Nice and grippy. Does have a safety. Satin hardware. Same texture on the other side. Curved pocket clip. She's ready to fire. Nice and snappy. It is S30V steel. It's Buck knife, so it's made in the United States. Overall length is 7 3/4 of an inch. The blade is just over 3 inches long. It is a hollow ground. Let's go and fire that off again one more time. Handle material is aluminum. Just a very good entrance into the automatic knife market from Buck Knives. Very smooth action, very easy to operate. Buttons all work real easy. Nice and snappy, very fluid, doesn't snag on anything. Just a good knife. Again, you can get yours at asdknives.com or asdefense.com. If you like the video and want to see more, please subscribe to the channel. Click on the notification icon to get updated on our new videos. And please leave us a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Let us know why. And any comments or suggestions in the comments section. Thanks again for watching.